Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to create a website in Google Sites for free. So the first step is to go to Google Sites, and then as you can see you'll have different templates that if you can choose from, or you can create a blank site. I'm gonna go with the templates. I'm gonna go with the portfolio one so I can show you. And then what you'll have to do is simply wait, and then here you'll have the main page, and as you can see on the right side you can add the text box, images, you can embed code if you want, and you can customize your Google site. As you can see, you can connect the Google Sheets, Google Forms, and other apps that Google provides. Then you can go to pages, and here you can create multiple pages, and if you click on the page you'll get redirected to the page, and here you can edit that specific page. Now if you want, you can go to themes, and then here you can change the themes colors, fonts. As you can see, if you want, you can import custom fonts and colors. And after you've made your changes, simply click on publish, and then here you'll have to enter the domain. You can get a domain for free, or you can enter a custom domain and connect it to your site, and then simply after you enter the domain, click on publish, and that's all. Your site will be live. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.